This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diana Germain. To be built Model C is spacious and great for entertaining. Kit and dining area opens to the oversized fam room, west/opt, teaching center, LRG, PBR west/tree ceiling, second floor laundry and 2 linen closets. Opt floor plan. Variations such as first floor guest suite west/full bath, opt first floor study. 2,342 to opt 2668 2971 take I-64 to I-664. Exit 9A toward US 17 in/James R. Bridge. Merge onto US 17 in/Bridge Road. Take 17 into Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn left and follow Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn right onto Bennetts Creek Park Rd.